Hello everyone, welcome to this new chapter. We're doing today day 8 of the Advent of Cyber 3 2021. So let's get started. Uh, yeah, so first of all, we will start our machine and our attack box. Um, That's because, as you can see here, it says that um, the instructions here will make use of the attack box OpenVPN to RDP into the target machine. So let's get here, start our Remina. Just click cancel and then add a new one. The server is our IP address. The username can be found somewhere like here. Okay, administrator. And the password is Grinch123 exclamation point. Just remember here, just use through color 32 because it won't work if you don't. Accept the certificate and okay, here we are. This is our target machine and let's start. So, MexKitty was notified of some terrible news. Oh, Santa laptop, which he uses to prepare his bag of toys for Christmas, is missing. We believe a minion at the Grinch Enterprise stole it, but we need to find out for sure. It is up to us to determine what actor compromised the laptop and recover Santa's bag of toys. Okay. Unfortunately, the best festival company at minimal monitoring tools on Santa laptop is the boss after all. All we have to work with are some PowerShell transcriptions log we were able to remotely recover just after it went missing. You can find the transcription logs within the Santa's laptop logs. I guess it's this one. Yep. Folder on the desktop of the attached Windows virtual machine. If you aren't familiar, and well, I'm not, PowerShell transcription logs capture the input and output of PowerShell commands, allowing an analyst to review what happened when. Okay, okay. Typically, PowerShell transcription can be enabled by group policy, but another method to turn on this logging is by configuring the Windows registry. Under PowerShell, so computer, local machine, software, policies, Windows, Microsoft Windows, PowerShell transcriptions. That's interesting. Okay, while you do not have to use these commands for this task, these will turn on PowerShell transcription logging for a local host if you entered in an administrator command prompt. Okay. A Windows registry is a large database of operating system setting and configuration. It is organized by hives, with each hive containing keys and their corresponding value. PowerShell transcription logging can be enabled in this way per user via the HK current user registry hive, or across the entire host via HK local machine registry hive. Thankfully, Santa laptop had this enabled machine-wise. Okay. Note that for this task you will interact with a Windows virtual machine to perform your analysis. For the sake of storyline, this is not Santa's laptop. Rather, you have sample file that were recovered before the laptop was stolen. Okay, so if you are interested in learning more about Windows fundamentals, check out the Windows Fundamentals module on TryAcme. Answer the question below. Read the premise above, start the attached machine, Windows analysis machine, and find the transcription logs in the Santa laptop logs folder on the desktop. Okay, if you want to RDP into the machine, yes, oh, okay, look, they use X3 RDP, but it's good. Each transcription log is a simple plain text file that you can open in any editor of your choice. While the file names are random, you can get an idea as to which log comes first by looking at the date modified or date created attributes, or the timestamps just before the file extension. So let's check it out. Well, we can do like that, and we can see the first log was this one, probably this one. Let's see, timestamps. Yeah, okay. Um, Open the first transcription log. You can see the comments and output of everything that ran with PowerShell, like who am I and system info. Let's see. Okay. Laptop Santa, runner as laptop Santa, machine laptop. Okay. Command start time. Who am I? Laptop. System info. Microsoft Windows 11 Pro. So that's our first answer. Perfect. Okay. Review each transcription log to get an idea of what activity was performed on the laptop just after it went missing. In the second transcription log, it seems as if the perpetrator created a backdoor user account. Okay. So, first of all, let's start by just looking at the first one. Even though we got the information we needed, we might find something interesting. Net user account for, okay, so the last thing the user did, the user is Santa, was to see which user were there, and we have administrator and Santa. So that's all for the first log. Let's try the second and try to retrieve every information we can. Okay, so here's some info about the log itself. And here, the first command, net user Santa Grinch stolen Christmas ad. So password entered is longer than 14 characters. Okay, so the the new user is Santa with the 4 instead of the A, and this is our password, right? So we have it. Okay. In one of the transcription log, the bad actor interacts with the target under the new backdoor user account and copies unique file to the desktop. Before it is copied to the desktop, what is the full path of the original file? So let's see what happened here. So net user, he just checked if the new account was there, and it is. Then, okay. user account for, okay. He exited. Okay. This is gonna be a big one. We might want to parse it, but let's see. So, again, all the information. Who am I? Logged in with new account. He went. Okay. So he copied this file and then tried to see if it was there on the bad account. But I don't see it. Okay, okay. There it is. Dear dash force. And here is the file. So this is the path. Okay, the actor uses a living of the land binary, lol-bin, to encode this file, and then verifies it succeeded by viewing the output. What is the name of this lol-bin? Let's see. So type the center. It's the same file, right? It seems to be, or not. Let me see again. So, certutil encode this file and you renamed it? I guess so. So that's the starting file. But here, you renamed it. Into Santa.dat. Is it possible? No. Oh, wait. Binary? Oh, to encode. Okay, so certutil.exe. Okay, so the user class dot file was encoded with base64, which thankfully you can decode and recover the original user class dot file. Base64 decode the content between begin certificate and end certificate markers with a transcript log with CyberChef, which you have a local copy on the desktop for your analysis. So let's go. Hope it's won't take a while to do that. Well, how long is this? Seems it's not moving, but we can see down there on the line that we are going up. Just hope it doesn't take too much time, but it will. It's gonna take a lot of time. So let's just copy it all. And go to the CyberChef local site where we can paste it. And from base. Take a while, I guess. Okay. Oh, how do we do that? Do we? It's not very practical, so let's go back here and okay. That's messed up. Okay. Let's download it. Browse it. Notepad. No, wait. What? Save file. Okay, let's see. Is it? Oh. Sure, we decoded. Not sure. Okay, this file can be used to aid in our investigation. The user class that file contains shell bags or artifact contained within the Windows registry that store user preferences while viewing folders with the Windows Explorer GUI. If you could carve out this information, you could get an idea as to what user activity was performed on the laptop before it was stolen or compromised. Okay, we might need to go for the extra research. Let's see, to extract the shellbags information within these user class dat, we will use shellbag explorer. This utility is found readily available inside the shellbag explorer folder with the application name shellbags explorer. Good. Then just go to the desktop, shellbag explorer. Wait. See the file extension name. Let's go. It's taking a lot of time. Okay, here it is. So let's make it a bit smaller so that we can have it on our window. Okay, file, load Hive registry, I guess. No, 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 no. File, load offline Hive on downloads. Okay, open. Okay, here we have it. And now let's read it again. With the Shell Bag Explorer open, use the stop bar menu to select file, load file Hive, and navigate to the location of where you saved the decoded user class dat. To begin, okay, so we did it. Under the desktop folder, there seemed to be a suspicious folder named Santa Rat. See, home folder, Santa Rat. Okay, what is this? Okay, GitHub. Close. Okay. Could this be a remote access Trojan that was used for further nefarious activity on Santa's laptop? Unfortunately, from just shellbag alone, we only have insight into folder names, sometimes file if we are lucky, and column data within Windows Explorer, but not files. How could we uncover more details? Well, I guess we could just, I don't know. How do we do? There's some kind of hash or details? I don't know. Text isn't helpful. So let's read. Drill down into the folders and see if you can find anything that might indicate how we could better track down what is Santa Rat, what really is. What specific folder name clues us in that this might be publicly accessible software hosted on a code sharing platform? Yes, GitHub. But that doesn't help unless we have some URL or something. Maybe if we search for these, we will be lucky, but oh, look, the file here. So additionally, there is a unique folder named Bag of Toys on the desktop. This must be where Santa prepares his collection of toys, and this is certainly sensitive data that the actor could have compromised. What is the name of the file found inside this folder? Is this Bag of Toys dot zip? Yes. Track down the Santa Rat software online. It may be just as simple as searching the name of the software on the suggested website, GitHub. So yeah, Let's go back there and we could like search for Santa Rat. Copy. Let's go here. Um, so site GitHub, and we are looking for Santa Rat 3. Oh, maybe that's not the correct. See, that might be green cheese. Santa Rat. Okay, we found something more. Perfect. What is the name of the user that owns the Santa Rat repository? Green chest. Okay. Okay, explore the other repositories that this user owns. What is the name of the repository that seems especially pertinent to our investigation? Let's go here. Yes, Santa Rat, Operation Bag of Toys. Perfect. Read the information present in this repository. Okay, so here is the README file. And what we have here is, for this Christmas, Grinch Enterprise will rig Santa bag of toys. We will steal Santa laptop and compromise this bag of toys, removing all of the good toys and replacing them with bad things. Update: we have successfully stolen Santa's laptop and have replaced this bag of toys. Now Santa bag will only be filled with badness, coal, mold, worms, ants, mildew, I don't know what's that, boogers, earwax, sand, dirt, spiders. Christmas is ours. Okay. So what is the name of the executable that installed a unique utility the actor used to collect the bag of toys? Let me see. Raw? Oh no, wait. What? Save file. Wait. You can review the activity in the transcription log. It looks as if the actor installs a special utility to collect and eventually exfiltrate the bag of toys. Okay, so let's get back to our machine and back to our logs. Um, let's see, maybe this. Okay, so new object. Let's see. So create archive. Doesn't seem to be the case, not sure, but I don't see a specific activity regarding the bag of toys here. So let's go to the last one. Oh yes, see it here. So I guess this transcription holds the name of the software, and the software is this one, right? It, yes. In the last transcription log, you can see the activity that this actor used to tamper with Santa's bag of toys. It looks as if they collected the original contents with UHA archive. UHA archives is similar to a zip or archive, but faster and with better compression rates. It is very rare to see, but it looks like the Grinch Enterprise are pulling out all the tricks. You can see the actor compressed the original content of the bag of toys with a password. Unfortunately, we are unable to see what the specific password was in this transcription log. Perhaps we could find it elsewhere. Following this, the actor looks to have removed everything from the bag of toys and added new things like coal, mold, worms. Yes. What are the content of these malicious file? Hmm. Hmm. Well, we have those files somewhere. Well, Grinchmas, yeah, might be the case. Yes. So it just echoed Grinchmas in each of the objects in Bag of Toys. We know that the actor seemingly collected the original Bag of Toys. Maybe there was a slight OPSEC mistake and we might be able to recover Santa's Bag of Toys. Review the actor repository for its planned operation. Maybe the commit message. We can find the original archive and the password. Well, they hand us pretty much everything, right? Let's see. Okay, so it seems that we have all the commits we need just here, and we can just look at them, see what's inside. So, okay, that's the last one. Oh, my machine is expiring soon, sorry. Oh, yeah. So, um, so this was the last one. We can go here and see what was changed. Binary file not shown. Okay. We may have something here. Oh, they put it right there. Okay, let's see. And submit. Okay, so Max Kitty was able to download and save a copy of Bag of Toys UHA archive, and you have it accessible on the desktop of the Windows analysis machine. Okay, 'Let's See? Mina? Okay. Sorry, it took some time to find it. Okay. Here it is. After recovering the password from GitHub repository, you have everything you need to restore Santa's original bag of toys. So let's paste here our password. Okay, so bag of toys. Double click on the archive on the desktop. Okay. Using the password, extract the content into a location of your choosing. Extract files. Just on the desktop, yes. Program. Santa, desktop, bag of toys, and we have a lot of toys here. With that, you have successfully recovered the original content of Santa's bag of toys. You can view this in the Windows Explorer file browser to see how many were present. What? 228? Yes. That's all? We finished. Okay. That was interesting. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you next time. Bye.